Yo guys, it is Josh J Clem here back with another video, and today I'm just going to be doing a nice little recap for you, a trade recap, trade breakdown of a couple of positions I am in at the moment. Why I took these trades and everything. You can see the positions I have running on my MT4 there, I think. Oh, you see those? Yeah, there we go. So we are in the trades. Now, these are trades on Euro USD that I'm going to be going over. So what we'll first do is go on to the daily time frame. And the first reason why I took these sells is because, as you can see here, right, we broke this daily range and we had a large wick to the downside, showing us, maybe a loss of momentum. So my bias then changed to short for the short term, right? Now, if I then go to the 4 hour, you will see the same thing, right? The 4 hour, we actually broke bullish. So, we were due to have a pullback, obviously, back into this range where we can then potentially look to get long again. And then the 15-minute where I actually took the entry. To bear with me, my computer's a little slow sometimes. Okay, so here, right, on Euro USD, we had like a little range, and then we had a large impulse out of this range, right, giving us a new, obviously, bullish break of structure here. Now, what you'll notice is this is a this is a very clean push, right? There's no inducement in this leg. So as soon as I saw that, I was skeptical that this would hold. So I decided to short. I actually took a short here and took a break even. And then I shorted again here. And obviously this one played out, and I'm still holding now as like a mid to short term swing trade. So yeah, that was the premise for obviously this short here. I hope that makes sense. Originally, I knew that this low was definitely going, to be honest, and I will potentially look to hedge around this area here, potentially lower. I can see this low failing, to be honest, because the 4 hour needs to obviously take a nice bit of liquidity. So I can potentially see this low failing too, to obviously then continue us on the 4 hour trend bullish. Now, there was also a lovely trade opportunity up here. However, I did miss this because I was in GBP USD, which I can break down that trade for you afterwards. So I actually caught GU at London session today and missed EU. However, I did just get in a pre New York sell, just carrying on obviously that impulse correction. Impulse looking to take out this low. Yeah, this one I'll hold a little bit longer. This one I will probably close at this low. Now, why did I take this trade? As you can see, obviously on the 15-minute time frame, have impulse, right, correction, impulse, right? We obviously failed to take this low at this moment in time. That doesn't mean the high is weak, as obviously the 15-minute has gone bearish. So, we are still trading pro trend. And obviously we have bearish order flow. If you see here, you see here, right? We shift bearish order flow here. We pull back, we give another order flow shift here. So we are trading out of obviously the last 15-minute order flow range, as you can see. Now, if I go onto the lower time frames, you'll be able to see just why I took the trade. So why didn't I short this? Well, if you notice here, right, this is our last order flow range. Okay, so anything out of here is invalid, right? This invalid, even this invalid. yeah, this is all invalid, right? I want something either here or here. Now, the most appealing thing to me in this leg of price was this engulfed buy to sell, but we never hit this. So why did I click sell here? Well, because if you look at this whole range, right, is engulfed, right? That's our last engulfed range. So as soon as price comes into that, and here obviously we do shift order flow, but we haven't had a liquidation yet. We haven't had a massive liquidation, right? There's been no um, sellers that are taken out of the market. There's been no premature sellers, early sellers that have been taken out of the market. So that's obviously what we need to see, right? So as soon as price obviously takes this high, like we trap sellers here, right? We trap them. They're short, right? Their stop losses are above here. We shift order flow. They're thinking, great, we're going down, but there's still more orders to fill. So price comes back up, takes that high, and then I hit sell when we had this bearish candlestick, the bearish 1 minute candlestick closed. I hit sell just with a, I think, 3 pip stop loss. Let me just check. 2.6 pip stop loss I had. So yeah, we are up at the moment, and I will see how it goes. But that's basically it.